Oh, sorry. This is where I usually come when I want to avoid work, but this time I'm gonna actually do some work. I'm gonna present to you where to connect the different pressure supply lines. The first one, instrument air, maximum 10 bars. It connects to this one. And through this line, you supply pressure to the low pressure output modules, such as the PO8C. The second one is the high pressure, maximum 230 bars. And through this pressure line, you supply pressure to, for example, the POC8, which can be anything from mid-range to high range. The third one is the vacuum. And one of the great features in CENTRiCAL is that when you have ordered the vacuum pump, it is already assembled, installed, and the hose is connected to the middle port. So you only need to worry about the high pressure and the instrument air. Many times the high pressure supply comes from a nitrogen cylinder, but it can also be from a high pressure hose in the factory air.